Welcome to Driveline. Hello everyone and welcome back to Driveline, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, SUVs, and everything exciting from the automotive world. In today's video, we're diving into a true off-road legend, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep. This iconic vehicle has deep roots in automotive history, originally based on the legendary Willis CJ3B design introduced in the 1950s. Jeep.fandom.com. In India, Mahindra began producing this Jeep under license, and it quickly became a symbol of durability, simplicity, and unmatched off-road capability. From military use to rural transport, the CJ3B earned a reputation as a tough and reliable machine. Now, the 2026 version is expected to revive this classic with modern touches while preserving its raw, rugged DNA. Let's explore everything about this legendary Jeep. CJ3B.info. Artist palette design and exterior, classic and rugged. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep is expected to retain its iconic vintage design. The most recognizable feature is its high hood and flat fenders, originally designed to accommodate a larger engine. Shutter drives. The front may include round headlights, a vertical grille, and a strong metal bumper, keeping its classic military-inspired look alive. Its compact body, short wheelbase, and high ground clearance make it perfect for off-road adventures. You can also expect options like soft-top or open-top configurations, giving it that authentic old-school Jeep experience. The design is not about luxury, it's all about toughness, simplicity, and functionality. Couch and lamp interior and comfort, basic but purposeful. Inside the 2026 CJ3B Jeep, the cabin is expected to stay minimal and utilitarian.